I got some scratch on my wheel drive on the curb. There's a big one here, a smaller one here, the edges. So I look up some YouTube video and teach people how to do it, and try to do it myself. And first, get some of the sandpaper. You see the 220 grit, and we start sanding this area and that area. Okay, I already been sanding, and I got some water. There's a 220. And some water and some stiff scratches over here. I've been sanding off it. I don't want to use Bondo, so just try to sand it so you won't see it that easy until it's moved out. You see some of the steep scratches here. Zoom in. So it's time to sand off. So when sand it, make sure not just sanding the scratch area, but you sand around it, so make it look smooth. So check out all that, no more scratches. Well, you can feel a little bit. So I would do the same thing on the edges, the 220. Just sand all the way around. Get some water. I'm sanding off the other side. Got some sand off already. So just wipe it off. Now doing the 400 grit. Need some water on that one. After sanding the whole thing with the 200 and then the 400, looks so smooth. Just wipe it out all the. If you look at it, how it looks like. All the rash is gone. So now I'm going to sand down the whole thing with 400 before I start painting it. There's the 400. Need some water. Make sure you clean it real good with soap and water before you spray paint it. And I'm drying it now. Okay, just show you how you make sure you scrub it clean real good, especially the edges. Just rinse it with water. Let it dry. And try to put tape to mask the edge. Okay, the Rust-Oleum paint is great. So I'll try to paint the inside first. So this inside, then the outside edge. With the inside of the ring. Top. Okay, let it dry. Okay, that's how it looks like. It's not bad. It's not perfect.